Hello, welcome to how to grow lavender from last year's flower seeds. First, a quick recap showing you how I collected the seeds from the flowers. I waited until the end of summer until the flowers had turned from blue to a grey colour. I cut several flower stems from the plant and then shook the seeds from the flowers into a plastic container containing a paper towel. I separated the seeds out from the flower pods and then stored them in a brown paper envelope in a cool, dry place over winter. At the end of winter, it's time to take the seeds out and begin to germinate them. The first step is to place some compost in a plastic food bag. Next, take the stored seeds, put them in the compost and mix them thoroughly. Now add a small amount of water, enough to make the compost damp but not wet. Finally, seal the bag. Place the bag in a refrigerator for 4 weeks. This is a process called cold stratification, and it fools the seeds into thinking they've had a winter dormant period. Step 4. After 4 weeks, remove the seeds from the refrigerator. Step 5. Put the seeds in a propagator tray. A propagator tray is a shallow plastic tray with a transparent lid that's ideal for germinating seeds. First, fill the tray with compost. Now add the seeds and the compost that was stored in the refrigerator. This looks worse than it is, but it's merely damp compost. Now spread the seeds out evenly across the propagator tray. Now add a thin layer of new compost on top of the seed layer. Insert a label, then fit the propagator lid and store in a warm place until the seeds germinate. After about a week, the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 7. Remove the lid from the propagator tray and keep the seeds warm and watered. Step 8. When the plants have 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First, give them a good watering. Hold the seedling by its leaves and try to remove as much root as possible. Fill a pot with compost, water the compost, and then make a hole in the centre using your thumb. Insert the seedling and press down gently, being careful not to damage the roots or the stem. Finally, give the seedlings a good watering. Step 9. Keep the plants warm and watered and they will gradually begin to mature. Step 10. When the plants are about 3 inches high, it's time to plant them outside. First give them a good watering. Choose a sunny position and then dig a small hole in your soil. Carefully ease the plant from its pot and then insert it into the hole. Cover the roots with soil and press down gently. Finally, give the plant a good watering. Step 11. Keep watered and weed free. Here's a lavender plant that I planted 2 years ago. And here's another one which I planted 4 years ago. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel where there are plenty more gardening videos. Goodbye.